Kate here with WTI. Now, is your life total chaos? You have way too many things and you can never find anything? Yeah, me too. This PAG pull-out storage organizer has been amazing. With this pull-out drawer, I'm able to arrange everything and not have to dig through to get to the stuff in the back. I can pull it right out, I can see everything that I have, and I can easily access it. Talk about a game changer. Now this comes in several different sizes, so you can choose the one that fits your space. It's nice and sturdy, it's made of stainless steel, it glides very nicely, and it's so easy to put together. Literally just a few screws in the base, a few screws to attach the drawer. That's it. It takes 5 minutes. You can use this all over the place. If you have a pantry, this would be amazing for canned goods and things like that. Obviously, I used it under my sink, cleaning supplies, all of that sort of thing. Absolutely awesome. But anywhere in the home, this will be so useful. So if you're looking to declutter or just make it easier to find your things, even if you just keep it all, you're gonna find this so helpful, and that's my point of view.